Hey, what's up, YouTube? I just started coming down my parking lot, as you can see, and when I turn on my car, I didn't turn on the radio. It's a weird clicking sound. If you can hear a clicking sound, it's coming from somewhere. Let's see. I don't know what is that clicking sound, so you still can hear it. Sorry, the video is kind of shaky, but I'm just driving and using my phone, that's why. So I'm in the parking lot, and I'll put up the windows if you can hear it. See if you can hear it a little bit. That's not me, that's a Subaru in behind of me with that exhaust muffler. But let's see if we're out on the road right now, and you still can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it. It's kind of hard to be using the phone right now out on the road. But yeah, if you guys have any issues like that happened before on a 2007 Mazda 3 and that loud clicking sound out on the road driving, I looked at a forum at Mazda's too, and it was like a water pump or the axle, the CV boot, one of those. But today's the first day I'm experiencing this, so alright, I gotta go. I'm on the road. Peace out. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. This is your boy Pisces Pino again. Please comment, subscribe, and like the video as always. Alright, you guys have a great day. Peace out.